of a deserted cartoon that I wrote. Creature come, creature, creature, my own double feature as I'm warming the bleachers at home. Well, my nose keeps on bleeding, 'cause it's Rita I'm needing. I better call out a meeting of the boys. Of the boys.
Just walking in for the day. See this stick right here. Looks kind of odd amongst the darker colored sticks. Walking in here. Looks freshly dug up. Like nobody's really walked on it much. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is something. I saw it when I was walking by, and there's like a really flat area right here where you can tell something's kind of stomping it down, walking across here. I mean, you know, right next to the trail, but this guy's hung up in the tree. This is leaning here. Kind of, you know, stuff here, stuff there. I mean, maybe it could have fell down, right? And then you come over here and you're like, wait a minute, these sticks definitely didn't just fall in here randomly. This is stuck in the ground, and then this is stuck in the ground here to create this little art project, or this little monument, or I don't know what that would be considered. I always say, you know, not 100% definitive. Sorry, I'm switching hands with the camera, but kind of cool. Kind of cool when you see that right next to this here behind it, and you start wondering what really did do this. All right. Taking it really slow right now. I got that feeling in here like big time. There was a hawk that flew off, and when I walked in it said picnicking by permit only or something like that. But then I read the rules, and it was saying people with permits have priority. And that kind of contradicted itself, so I took a chance in walking in here, but I don't know. Making my way up the hill, but spooking myself out in here. There's a lot of red. If you look around, red trees. Red ones scare me a little bit more than the black ones, but I haven't seen either one yet. But I just want peace with them. I'm walking up to look at these 3 sticks here. Seems odd that they're all up in this tree. You be the judge. They're old. I don't think they grew here. There's another lean in the tree right here. Just hanging. I don't know why they're knocked down like that. There's another one up here. Looks old. Got a lot of glare coming off the screen. It's kind of a task to make sure you're doing the right camera work and looking around for your own safety. Sorry, I'm leaning back trying to get that good shot. Let's see where I'm trying to aim here. Another tree or two, branch or whatever, placed at that same angulature. See this here? It's forming a triangle amongst this one here. Probably grew there and died. This here, placed up in here. Just heard a snap to my right. Speaking of snaps, there's one right there. See, there's a picnic area down here. Baseball field, or horseshoe pit rather. I think and a little baseball diamond of sorts. woodpecker hole. That one's leaned up on this dead one. Did you guys hear that? Whoa. That was loud. Like a rock being thrown or something. You guys, I don't want to bother you. I'm gonna go up and around. I'm a little worried. Wow. That was loud. That was loud. Oh man. It didn't sound like hooves, you know, like when a deer starts to run, you hear like boom, 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 multiple paw hits. This one was very loud. And it was just bam. The camera had to pick that up. Ooh, man. Okay. Walking up and away. Oh. I definitely don't want to push the issue with any wild animal. This being the most unknown wild animal that we seem to know about. Oh man. I can't wait to see what that here sounds like on the computer. I'm a little worried. Just circling back to look. My friends! My friends! Man, I didn't like the feeling I got from that. You know, I got some snaps while I was in New Hampshire, and I could kind of hear them, but I thought maybe the squirrels were doing it. I didn't realize how loud and deliberate they were, and I was hearing a behind my snaps. That was me. But, man, that sounded like a rock. I don't know. Freaky. Yeah. I just can't press my luck. Wow. I really can't wait to see what that sounds like. Wow. Definitely got my heart beating. There's another one in the tree right here. Oh, we got it to the left of it. Right there. And that guy right there. Oh man, I'm trying to not be like freaked out right now. I so am. Man. Well, I just walked up this hill. I'm a little farther than where I came up. But I just wanted to see if anything was over here. But man. That was the northeast side, and that's where Rio says they hang out. Maybe the coolest side of the mountain. Yeah, that was pretty real. We'll see when I get home. Put it on the computer. Just wondering if I should turn around or if I should keep pressing my luck. I had a feeling today that I shouldn't go, and it was raining on the way out here, but it was the perfect time for me to just get up and go. So I did it. But I heard a fella talking about, he said I stopped going because I didn't want to press my luck. I was thinking about it. I was really pressing my luck. And I mean, you know the feeling. You're speeding, you got a long drive, you're doing like 90 miles an hour, I'm just saying, and boom, you get pulled over. You're almost like, darn it. I could have slowed down at any time, but should have known better. Got a few tickets in my day. I'm pretty good now. The trick is to buy a vehicle that blends in. You could be doing 100 in a Jeep Grand Cherokee and it looks like it's parked to the cops. Anyway, that's my experience. Spooks me out, man, putting my back, you know, to where I just heard that. I mean, Jesus, I just wonder if they're watching me walk away, if they're satisfied that I'm leaving. I would hope so, that they're not so overly territorial. But I mean, they gotta be curious. I'm not like saying I feel like they're walking me out. I'm just saying, like, are they watching me? You know? Well, was that even a Sasquatch, you know? It, I don't know, that freaked me out. Ooh, yeah, that, I mean, that was freaky. It probably grew there, what do you think? Kind of interesting. Man, I just hate even thinking about having to defend myself against a Sasquatch. I got a knife and a gun and a 6-foot-long stick. But you just never know. Guns in my pack. Do I really want to go knife to knife, hand to hand with something like that? And then your stick, man, you hope it doesn't just snap it, come up and club you, get you. That's just some of the thoughts you try to keep out of your mind when you're out doing something like this alone. Oh, snap. Oh, I'm looking, guys. I'm looking. Sorry about the camera work, but I'm freaking looking. You know, I've heard them say, oh, sometimes you don't see them, then they show up on camera. I mean, I think that's true in the sense that, yeah, when I'm looking through a viewfinder, I'm not actually seeing what I'm looking at. But I don't know that invisible ones would necessarily be caught on camera if they were to be able to be invisible. But I'm just throwing it out there. It's amazing how something can be right there in nature that all blends together so well. Oh man, just talking to like stop from being a little spooked, you know? That was pulled down. Oops, sorry fellas. Ladies. Let's see this one over here. Yeah. Freshly taken care of for whatever purpose. Let's see, I think I'll get a picture of that one. Oh, look at that animal right there. It's probably looking right at me. Yeah. Hi, Mama. Smile for the camera. I would tell her, don't go that way. Something is stomping. I don't want to walk all up on her, but that's like the direction I'm going. Sorry about the unsteady camera work. I don't need a friggin' animal confront me today, please. Hello. Hi. Oh, doesn't seem scared. I don't think that's a good sign, to be honest with you. It's very intent on me. Funny that it doesn't want to go anywhere. Just kind of holding its position. I wonder what that's about. Well, there it goes. I've seen videos where deer attack people. Man, they can raise up and hit you in the face with those hooves before you know what got you. Look at this buck, guys. It's beautiful. He's got a weird antler on his right side. Oh no, I'm just not picking it up with the camera, I think. I can see it now. Yeah, beautiful. He's sure posing for the shot, isn't he? He's probably after that doe. Don't much want to bother him. Man, he is just wondering what I'm doing here. Hi, buddy. Where'd he go? It's okay. I just did in a huge rainbow trout with this knife. I don't want to have to add a 6-point buck to the list. What is he? Shit, he's big, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me go around him because I want to look at this stuff in the tree. Need to watch my back. See who's texting me right now. This is kind of a cool little area. Stuff over here. Alright, check it out. I walked around the backside here. Kind of avoid that buck. I came behind this blue spruce where I could see there were some trees and stuff coming up. And then this is actually like, I guess what Colorado Bigfoot would probably refer to as like a perch. And there's this little area right here. Looks like somebody dismantled a feather. I don't know if that was a mouse or a little animal, a rodent. But there's a perfect little shelter in here. You see the 2 sticks coming up, making an X right here. There's another tree coming up right here. It's hard to tell because of the shadow. It's a very large trunk. This is really cool. This is neat. I definitely think this is probably something I do. That's pretty fresh, probably this year, you think? Oh, yeah, too. Couldn't be that old. Alright, check it out. There's a trail here. Comes down, leads to like probably stables down here. I don't know. Maybe a little picnic area. I didn't even really look because I came out in the middle, but like maybe the equestrians put this across the trail and this and this. I don't know if that's protocol. I know that's Sasquatch technique. And then look at here. Weird. I'm hearing some freaking weird beeping like sonar. But like, look at the sticks on the trees. Right there. I don't know what that noise is. It's weird. Look at all these trees in the field. This is weird. I mean, like, what purpose does that serve? To have humans do this at all? I don't see any purpose. Weird. Even like, look at this. This is laid down here. It's actually two pieces. Two little knobs. And then another piece there, and this is laid across. What kind of communication is this? Dude, that beeping is freaking me out. I do not know what is up and over there. It's like beep 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 beep. It's like, I don't know. It sounds like a freaking machine. I don't know what it sounds like. Weird. I'm gonna walk down and look at that. That looks like a skull left next to that. Wow. I'm getting like the chills right now. I'm definitely getting the chills right now because of that. Wow. Let's go see what's going on here. Just, what a spooky feeling. It's so beautiful out here, but I mean, how does that happen? Wow. Having a little Sasquatch moment to myself. This is cool. Oh, man. I'm still exhilarated by that friggin' noise. That stomp or that rock. I'm gonna turn it off. It's starting to lightly sprinkle. I don't want to get my camera any more wet. Just came across this here. A bunch of sticks here, 3 of them piled up on this aspen. Definitely not random. Pretty cool. Tree right there. One right there. Little guy. This is kind of cool. Little work on the ground right there. Whatever that means. Whoa, look at this. A deer leg. Pretty fresh. I don't see the rest of it. I see that aspen down right there. Got a tree leaned up on an arch here. Just placed here. Might be broken and laid down on this broken arch. It's right on the back side of this field where I saw the buck. Whoa, look at that owl. Damn. Came out right next to me, man. Didn't even make a noise. Damn, that thing's 20 feet away from me. Didn't even hear the wings flapping. It's interesting. That was cool. Let's see. I do not anticipate seeing any people on this trail. There's no tracks. Since it rained, I mean, this thing's not used daily. Here's our buck friend. He's still over there. I'm surprised. Looks like a friggin' Division of Wildlife dummy. Look at that though. That birch is freshly down. That big birch that he's hanging out at. I saw him eating something. Hopefully he's focused on chomping, not on stomping. Speaking of stomping, oh, something big. Maybe a horse probably. Right here. I smelled some manure of some type when I came around those houses, so seems like they've got horses, smelled like. And I think I did see hoof prints in there. Just going back towards where I had that foot stomp or that rock throw. That really freaking spooked me, man. Look at that. That's not very old at all. Kind of cool. It's deep in here. All right. Heard a hawk. Shooting from the car. Just driving. Look at this. Doesn't look natural to me at all. There's a trail right there. It's kind of a private little thing going on to get zip lines and stuff. I didn't walk in there. It's not a green area, open space, so I was gonna go trespass and walk down in there, but I decided not to. Uh-oh, not wearing my seatbelt, sorry, but anyway, that's kind of cool. Okay, walking in off the trail here, across this little gap. I went through there, but it looks like something walks through there regularly. Comes up here, snap right there, and looks like there's some stuff up here in the woods that I can see. It looks pretty cool. It's probably going to be better than I thought. Didn't want to give up for the day, so I drove down the road 3/4 of a mile to this other entrance into the same park that I was exploring. And there's something up here. Heard a dog bark. I don't want you to hear me huffing and puffing, but I'll turn it on when I get up there. We have arrived. Flat areas. Trees up, knocked over, and put up. I love being in these spots that they've been in. You can see this trail going down here. Trail up here through a break in the fence. There's a arched over tree right there. It's getting late, but it looks pretty promising.
Are you guys home?
Look at that there. Look at here. This looks like a footprint. You can see a break up through here. Fresh break. Look at this tree here, all hit up. Maybe they would knock on that. Maybe they tried to build something on that, took it down. Look at this little area. It's all cleaned out. Unzooming with my teeth. Got that stick in the tree right there. I'm pretty convinced. Huh. This looks kind of cool. Oh, what do we have here? What a fucking surprise, I swear. How do I just walk on stuff like this every time I'm Sasquatching? And I'll tell you why. It's because I cover a lot of ground. And that's how you're going to do it. So, got this little bend here. And I don't know if that's truly significant or not. What I'm really talking about is this Mylar balloon. So, could it have just like floated out here and came to rest here? Sure, it could have. But I sure find a lot of them out here in these squatchy areas. So I don't know what that means. I found them tied, like straight tied around a tree. I found them next to bone stack arrangements, like in places that really kind of scream Sasquatch. So, well, I'm gonna keep walking down. You got him right there, and tons of other stuff in here. Okay.